What's up, guys? Been jamming outdoors. I got a 2010 Daytona 675 today. Slightly different than my last one. The last one was, I believe, an 07. The headlights on this one is slightly different design, not too drastic, but I think the motor's slightly different, a little more power. But overall, the fairings are the same, subframe's the same, tail exhaust still. Because after, I think it was 2011 or 2012, they switched from the tail exhaust to the side exhaust. Personally, I like the tail exhaust better, but this bike doesn't have too much wrong with it. The fairings are jacked up, case is scraped up, pegs scraped up, headlight has some scratches on it from the pavement, steering stabilizer is busted, need to rebuild it. Gonna get new tires, gonna paint the wheels, probably paint the subframe, just give it some beautiful accents along with the fairings color that I'm gonna do. It's gonna look good, so y'all stay So we got one point of contact on the left side of the bike. It goes up to a strap to hold the subframe up and kind of help the torque aspect of it. Got to come along attached to my truck. Might have to get something to attach the back of the bike to the tree to keep it from putting the tail out. We'll see if this works.
Did you miss me?
So here's some of the parts to fix the Daytona. I got mirrors, exact same ones that were on my last Daytona because I liked them a lot. They were metal, very heavy duty, didn't vibrate a lot at high speeds. Fork oil, 10 weight to rebuild my steering stabilizer. A set of red, yes red, fairing bolts. And then these are some pegs from my last bike that I did not use. I'm either going to replace those with these, or I'm going to sand these down and replace the bolts to them. Depends. Like I said, the fairings. All ABS plastic. None of them are painted. I'm going to send them off to the painter. Probably today or tomorrow.
Did you miss me?
is actually a reusable oil filter. What I do to clean this out, I literally just put this up to a faucet, crank the faucet all the way up so it forced the water through the filter, pushing all the gunk that was in the filter out. And then I took a soft brush, like a little toothbrush or something, and then got the residual stuff, whatever else was left. And now I'm about to put it in front of a heater to dry it out, because you don't want to put this back in with water in it. So might take a few minutes to dry it out completely, but The Daytona passed inspection. Got her title coming in the mail. She's rebuilt.